Alright, we're back.
Hello.
We're back. Clouds in the forest. Oh, my arm. Alright, so where we left off yesterday, I
We
completely
built a
forgot.
shelter. And
Oh,
then
yeah,
got
right.
raped multiple times.
Yeah, so,
Well,
yeah,
they actually
no.
didn't see us getting killed on camera.
Oh, yeah,
But we
right. So,
did.
yeah, we know we did a little bit of off-camera work.
AKA, we died on that
Yeah,
off-camera
we
work.
died like 2 or 3 times. So,
Yeah,
let's
we
get
were
started.
lost.
Actually, hopefully we can find that 3-legged lady this time.
Yeah, I really want a girlfriend.
Yes, 'cause God knows you can't get one in real life.
Hey, everything can happen online. A mutant girlfriend? Sign me up. Oh my god, where am I? Oh! Oh my god!
Hold on, my game's still fucking loading. Or like,
Oh my god,
there we go.
I spawned in and I instantly get yelled at.
Ah,
Oh yeah, I forgot we were burning dead people.
oh yeah, that's right.
Very well made.
Oh, depending on how things go, we might have another 2 people joining us.
In forever. Oh my god, you can see their bodies slowly shrivel. Get back!
Hey man, monkey.
Give me your bones. Oh, you guys literally look like monkeys.
You got a widow over here. Whoa,
Oh my god, I hate the noises they make. It's so creepy. It's way worse than last time.
Wait, where's Cal?
I don't know. He's on his own adventure.
Alright.
Body kidnapped him.
Body napped him. Alright, so
Oh, this is so
hold on.
disturbing. You can slowly see the body like shrink when it's on fire.
alright, so we finished oh, there he is. Ah,
He looks so retarded.
unlocking the true mystery of Kelvin. Alright, so what were we gonna do this time? I completely forgot. Oh
I
yeah,
don't
so
know, but-
actually hold on, I should probably take some pills. Pop some pills. There's another one!
Yours are very
Fucking
bloody.
things are
there, buddy.
everywhere, man.
I just want to eat some people. It's not allowing me. You know?
There's another one over here if you want it.
You're tired. Thank you for asking. Or telling me that. Put some leaves on there.
Oh wait, hold on, that's right.
I'm like delusional.
I don't need shelter. I need a
Is it X again or is it B? That's what it is.
stick storage. I'm gonna put the stick storage like right over here.
Oh wait, what? It just kicked me out. Oh wait, I don't want to take them.
It's C to put them in.
Yeah. That's the thing that always confused me about this game.
Alright, and then next I'm gonna make a rock
Ooh, more
storage.
lubricant. Wait, printer resin respawns here.
Oh really?
Yeah, it respawns right here.
Huh.
In the back of
That
this.
handy.
Yeah.
There's a dead person over here if you want him. Wow, bro, he's going to work. He's never finished. Master got me
Where does his arm
working.
go? His leg just vanishes into the abyss. I give up.
Oh, I thought that was Kelvin that just picked him up and put him in there. I was like, damn, man's evolving.
No. We claim this is our territory.
No immigrants allowed.
Yo, you mean the natives?
Oh yeah, no natives allowed. We're gonna get fucking canceled.
Nah, this is history class.
Need another rot storage.
Log storage, yes please. Put that right, okay, rotate it, yes please. How am I missing sticks? Logs.
Yeah, let me
Can I
eat his
can I make him put
flour.
in the, nah, it's it only held 6? Some racism.
Alright, well, what? Alright, what other storages are we gonna make? Log meat. There's a bone storage.
Sure.
Alright. I'll put it right next to the other two.
I don't need it. Do I have anything? Okay, eyes in inventory. Items. Just gonna add. Where's this axe? Please don't be the bad mushroom. Yay! This mushroom's regaining my stamina too, I like it.
So, yeah, we kind of built a whole nother shelter over here.
Yeah. Well, they saw that.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Alright, what else are we gonna build? A shelf, a wall shelf, a mannequin, drying rack. Let's just get a drying rack right now.
Find something.
Alright, there we go. Like that. I think that's all we really need to build for right now, right? Or actually, no, we can build some wall or like some traps and stuff.
Yeah.
Alright. Fly swatter trap, a bone maker trap. Ooh. Hoo-hoo. Can't see what they require because this thing is so fucking maligned. Alright, so it looks like this is the most that we can make. What is this?
I'm gonna build a bridge.
Fly swatter trap? How the fuck does this thing work? Actually, yeah, no, a bridge can be pretty cool to make. And also probably really handy.
Get out! I just screwed it up. Oh!
I know that you can cut these things. Oh, there we go.
Where did that log go?
Halfway across China. Alright, I'll grab the.
I don't know. It's up to you.
I'll just grab some of this stuff. Kelvin's hard at work. Is it Calvin or Kelvin?
Keith. I'm
Yeah,
calling him
oh,
Keith.
Keith. Sorry, my bad. His name is Keith, and that's that. Oh my god, it gets so bright when you look over.
What a beautiful bridge. So beautiful.
Oh yeah, and this one we are not looking at many tutorials. We're going this completely blind. And we might have already found the end to the game, or like where the end to the game is.
I don't think that's what the end of the game is.
Well, and there is a possibility, okay?
There's a 3D printer.
Really?
Dude.
The opposite direction?
He messes up.
That looks wonderful.
You messed it up.
Me?
Yes,
You placed that plank the opposite direction. I did not mess it up.
Yeah, because I couldn't place it any other direction.
Just be smarter, I guess.
Eat me, baby boo.
Yeah. This is delicious.
Actually, I'm gonna start making some walls. Actually, now that I think about it. Lookout tower.
Is this a random log that I can't pick up? Okay.
Oh, well, how? Wait, just like. Oh my wood! God damn it!
Oh.
Oh wait, yeah, no, you can place it like this. Oh, that's just gonna get. This game better win at least some category in Game of the Year. Or,
It is. It's gonna win every category.
that's oh, comedy.
Best DLC, comedy.
It doesn't even have a DLC, but it's best comedy.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
No, really a lot.
There's a lot of bark everywhere. Mr. Zombie working. Mr. Gonna send me food.
These never finish. Hey, yeah.
You can't destroy it, it's just like this.
Yeah, you knew that.
Oh, this looks super screwed up now.
Guess you can't kill spiders.
Oh my. No, I just want.
Also, we might be making another series, so yeah, look out for that. Yeah, remember the game that we were playing today? What's it called?
Series.
Well, it's not really a series, but it's definitely something that we can play.
Yeah.
Easy finish. Next, it got me working. So today, so this video is probably just gonna be us just constructing things for like, and then probably next episode where we actually start getting stuff done.
Chop him the shrubbery down. I'm gonna give him some black plague.
Like a fucking rat bites you. Wait, she's been unlocked. Move, please. Oh, well, it's just face for.
Hey, dude. Yes, they are. I'll work on the decorating a bit. We work on the utilities.
Okay. Great way to say, oh, can you be my slave?
Yes, I want you to be my slave. Hurry up.
Hurry up. This
Not
video is
getting
gonna get us
paid.
canceled. Like 20 years from now, we're gonna be going for like a future job, and they're just gonna look back and be like, yeah, so apparently you
don't
had
show
a
our
channel called
faces.
Raw Clips.
How would they find that?
I don't know, you just will. They know how to find everything, right? Nothing is safe.
This is just a random floor.
Also, there's like a camp like up the hill from us. Apparently, we found out when we died like 40 different times.
Yeah, but apparently all these paths, like I swear this used to be a campground. There's too many man-made paths. But honestly, let's just follow them and they'll probably lead us to where we need.
Yeah, that's a good thing about this game is that it's very easy to navigate this time around, which I'm a very big fan of. Not what I wanted to do.
Like we gotta put something in between here. Oh, that doesn't really.
I'll figure that out.
This is the most Mitchy Manch beach ever. I love it. Any food on me? Let me just nom on that real quick. I'm very thirsty too. Let me just take a little drink.
I won't be right back.
Dante's a child predator, guys. Help me, please. What the heck was that? I think the struggle right now is food and, well, water. There's also a very big struggle. Don't tumble on my solution. Little. This is a beautiful bridge. I just don't even need a comment. I just already know it. What is... I don't like nature. I want the oil. All the oil. Nature's bad. I needed to make a profit off this mission. I don't even know if this is like the old, like the last dude's son. Like, I don't know if it's him or not. Very confusing. I do like the building mechanics in this game. It's very cool. Now, I don't know what we're gonna do about that.
I'm back.
Hello.
Hi. Alright. Alright, Keith.
Maybe I can build it like this. No, I can't, so you're just gonna... Okay, I guess this is our drinking hole. I love how this is just like a Lego puzzle. We just somehow put the logs, like, brute strength into the ground.
Camera. Stronger than Superman confirmed.
This is a great axe. It's better than
Stronger
that
than
flimsy,
Goku confirmed.
better than that flimsy thingamajiggy.
Stephanie.
For all of you people that argue that Goku's strong, characters of the Sons of the Forest and the Forest are stronger.
Yeah, they can lift 2 logs.
2 logs with 1 arm. Alright, Goku isn't even bullet level.
Like, I can get you my cannibals. Can you, Goku? Can't even beat cancer.
I feel like that's something else, but sure, man.
This dude probably survived a lot of cancer.
Kakarot, this cancer stuff is pretty strong. I don't know if we'll make it. I love how we just made it onto this forest and just immediately started deforesting.
Well, it's not even us, it's more freaking Keith over here.
Yeah, Keith is the singular problem for all of global warming.
No. It's crazy.
You can blame humans, not just blame Keith.
Like, Keith is the demigod.
Yep. He's the demigod of global warming. AKA angry mothers on Twitter.
AngryMothers.com.
Yes, sir.
Oh, there was a log just destroying everything in the love.
Just watch this tree just become like 40 times bigger. Boom.
Jesus, look at him work. He's good in those logs. I should ask him to do it faster. We are a slave. Basically, he's a
fast.
slave.
As
He's brain dead and
tradesmen.
brain dead. I don't know what to say. A wall. Whoa. Log on top of logs. A door. Whoa.
Gotta move this thing around.
Window.
Gotta move this thing like
Single
way over
step.
here. I love how how this new mechanic works though.
Yeah.
It gives you a lot more freedom to do things.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm in Minecraft if there was a
How do I place the game, huh? Oh, a step, nice. I'm evolving.
evolution.
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 Oh, I like how this works.
Thank you, Keith, for doing this. I know that you do know that we're probably not gonna let you win, but you know, we make do. Whoa, that's floating.
You know what's floating? My balls.
Because
Because of this new sponsorship. Sacks.
Thanks to today's sponsor, AdamandEve.com.
AdamandEve.com is the greatest thing ever.
Are you having troubles in your sex life? Well, thanks to Adam and Eve, you won't.
Oh, hello. Don't you dare start ruining my stuff! Don't you dare! Get out of here, gremlin.
I'm gonna let Keith relax for a little bit. He's gonna get like super stressed out and
Get
just
back
fucking
here!
down.
Ah! Ooh, a box. And you gave me dynamite.
Oh hey look!
That's
Oh
all.
no. I thought the trap activated and we actually caught something, but we didn't.
Mr. Foxy!
Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding ding
Christ,
ding
how
ding
far
ding
did
ding.
these goddamn logs
Mr.
go?
Foxy!
Oh, and he's back at it, waddling away. And he waddled away. And he waddled away.
Mining away. I just can't say what if I don't write. Forgot the rest of the lyrics. What the heck
Hey
was
yo,
that?
someone just came the N-word.
Look, I'm clearing the shrubbery. These are somewhere
Ah,
in
there
here.
he is.
Ah, I don't like
Like, climb up the
shrubbery.
tree, and he fell down the tree.
Well, that looks way better. No more shrubbery. Nature's upper. Nature is made by God, and I don't like Jesus. Can this thing break? I have an immortal tree. It's not
I think this thing
breaking.
might be dead. Well, there's another body
There we
feud.
go. Oh my god, that shit. They're little gremlins. I don't like that. I just want to build my house.
You're not even building anything.
Well, I am.
Yeah, hardly. Building a fucking bridge.
It's a really cool bridge.
Yeah, Bill Gates is not a slave owner.
He isn't.
He is.
There's supposed to be a finger dude beside you. Finger licking good.
The fuck? Where?
You can tell I was lying because I'm not scared.
I don't take those type of jokes funny. I'm very paranoid about this fucking thing. It's horrifying.
Since I know I'm very tired, I will go to sleep when it's nighttime. It's kind of how sleeping works.
You don't take naps? Days never finish. Master got me working. Someday has to set me free.
But I'm part of the decorating division. This time I built and you decorated, but this time you're building and I'm decorating. This tree is just levitating on an idea. This tree was at a 45-degree angle and just decided to go freaking obtuse on me.
Oh, I'm hungry. I didn't even realize.
Why can't I go this way? Am I too lacking? Am I too freaking stupid?
Anyone on the way?
Okay, well this one doesn't feel like doing anything. This log?
Same.
Oh, that's why, because we need something here.
We need to make a door. I don't know how to make a door though.
Or,
For this.
I'll show you. It's in the book, I think. Single step.
Nah, I've looked in the book. I think it's
window,
anything.
door. Yeah, it says right here.
Oh really? What category is it in?
The advanced thingamajiggy. Another thing I have no clue about.
No.
Stop burning our logs! Jesus. He really is stupid.
No.
No offense to him, but
Maximum offense to him.
just need one more log. Oh my god, this area is so clear now. You can see these hippies wherever. Ooh, blueberries! No. Blueberries.
Oh, we can see these hippies. Ooh, blueberries.
Blueberries. Okay, do not destroy these bushes. These are blueberry bushes.
Alright, got it.
These are gonna be our main food source. Oh, please don't be poisonous. I don't remember. Oh no, they're good to eat. There's so many raspberries and blueberries everywhere.
Hey, yeah, hippie. Calm down.
I don't eat the rock! Jesus! The character's more stupid than ever. Oh, T. Oh, I have a radio. Mayday! Mayday!
Mayonnaise.
Hello? Can you hear me twice?
Yeah, I hear you twice.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah, why did you do that? Are these the poison berries? Oh no, this is just vanilla.
It's just mirror. Do we like the days last a lot longer?
It's more accurate. I like it. Jesus, I'm freaking Hercules. I'm not Hercules. I just climbed up the tree. Hercules wasn't. Yeah, that's actually
Yeah, probably a good idea. If you wouldn't say it in front of Morgan Freeman, it's probably not. Best
Morgan
thing to say.
Freeman. We have Morgan Freeman here.
Maybe.
Nice. What the heck did I just do? Ugh.
Oh.
Destroy it. How do I destroy it? Destroy.
I think about this is a very poor place to put our house. We can't put like new walls or behind it.
It's fine. It's a pretty area.
What?
That's all that matters.
There you go. Jesus, Keith.
Die, tree! I wish we could sleep in that house. I think we're just retarded, maybe. We haven't figured out how. Don't pick up my logs! Don't pick them up! Stop picking up my logs! Oh wait, there's a girl! There's a girl, look at this!
Huh? Oh, wait, what?
Don't run to her! Don't run to her!
Oh. Wait, that was time I can practice my pickup line.
She's trying to drink some water.
Rah! Fucking weirdo.
What happened?
Ew! She's just sitting in the water.
Yeah?
Stop stepping over this trap.
I'm not. It's Kelvin.
You mean Keith?
I don't know. There's so many K names in this world.
The KKK name.
Yeah, I know, right? So what's our next meeting idea? Burn them or crucify them? Keith, if you keep taking my logs, I'm gonna... Keeps taking the logs I keep cutting down. Oh my god, she's running though, look at her. Apparently we can see her boobies.
Don't say that.
It's true though.
That's weird.
Stop taking my logs! Oh my god, jeez.
Well, we're gonna have to make a compilation of you getting pissed off at Keith.
You think?
What? Good enough.
Keith, get over here. I'm gonna rape you. I cut these. You just keep stealing them.
Yeah, where is she, anyways?
She's just walking up the lake now.
Oh.
What the?
Okay, well, we'll meet with you, girl, momentarily, I guess. Probably when it becomes a day, right?
Oh, why do I keep hurting myself when I break that log? Oh, bird.
Piranha.
We get some small meat. We need some meat. That's what we need.
Is there anywhere in Canada where alligators like naturally live? I'm still wondering how there were Canadian geese and alligators on the same island from the first game.
Dude, it's also there was mutants on there, so there was probably
Timber!
my forehead is swelling with sap.
I don't think that's possible unless you're a tree person. Slip me in that little area over there for now.
Can I place the log, please?
Where even is he? Oh, there he is. Just jumping over rocks.
Actually, let's get the rest of these logs to finish that wall.
In the tractor, 100. 100 of what? I'm gonna have to check out these damn achievements.
Do I just like place it right there? Oh yeah. That was
There shouldn't be no. There should be like a setting where you can like put it where it be like a circle on the ground.
yeah.
I'll do the wall. I'll just do the wall.
I did it. Extended. Oh my god! Why did you jump?
No, you
Jesus.
can do it right.
I did. It literally said, "Oh yeah,
There,
you can play."
right there.
That's how. That's what I did.
No, you placed it
Yours
wrong.
is uneven.
Nope. Well, we should probably sleep.
Nah, we don't need to sleep.
We need sleep.
Where is it? There it is. Pop. Okay,
Alright, let's go creep.
let me see if I can actually sleep in here.
Actually, I'm gonna save. I'm gonna sleep. Sleep, damn it!
I can't see.
You need to get food in the morning.
I'm saving.
Hurry up! Oh my god!
Oh, thank God, I'm not tired anymore. I want a drink.
I think it's some food though. Probably started cutting off the limbs of those cannons for food.
At least this water doesn't give us this freaking gonorrhea anymore. How do we get food? I haven't seen any fish anywhere.
I don't know, I think we need to make fishing. Actually, I can command him to go get fish.
Yeah, that would probably be better, honestly. Because I am gonna die by starvation.
Alright, there we go. I just gave him the orders.
Oh my god, I'm trying to.
I guess you got them fish. We're hungry. I just made him drop it where he is.
Okay, so we go to the river.
Just like grabs a fucking fish out of nowhere.
Yeah, that's what he's doing.
Oh,
Oh no, he's like kneeling down and looking into the river. Okay. Well, obviously that's how you fish,
yeah. What an interesting guy.
right? You're stealing my logs?
Oh, you got some fish.
Stop stealing my logs!
No.
I
I feel like the wall is a lot more important than the fucking bridge.
Bridge is better. It's more effective. Okay, unlogs.
Do it. Oh, sorry. Oh, I accidentally killed him.
What?
No, I didn't kill him, but I knocked him down. I don't know how to grab the fish from him.
How do we... Okay, well it's kinda just like this. Okay, door right here, I assume? Let's see, how do we make it? It doesn't make in the wall... I think we made the wrong wall.
Alright. Come on, I need to grab this fish. Where the fish at?
That's why we need studs. That would have been way easier.
Seriously, where the fish at?
Defensive
Oh, there.
wall. Bro.
No, I don't want to eat it. No. Oh, okay.
Where's the fish? Where's the fish? I'm gonna die.
No,
Did you eat
Okay.
every single fish?
No, it only gave me one.
Where is the other one? Where is he putting them?
It's over here. Wait, no. Where is it?
Dante, I'm going to kill you. The
Put it.
last breath. Yeah, I'm
So I'm gonna grab for a fish somewhere.
captured by a cannibal. How are you fishing? Okay, well, there's our bridge. It's beautiful.
Alright,
Give me that
fish.
fish. No, me, Dante!
Okay. Oh, he just shot me.
Oh.
Good job, buddy.
Oh my god. Oh my god, the timer. Just chuck it on
that-
there. Not intelligent enough for this.
My smartness is not enough. Yeah. There we go. I'll make a door later.
I think how you make a door is that you have to make this stud.
Fuck is a stud?
Just look at
Oh wait, hi. Alright, good job, buddy.
how long
Thank
this
you.
is gonna take to cook.
I'm gonna put some fish on the meat hooks.
How is it alive? It's been cooked for 3 minutes. That makes no sense. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna have the door
I
like
have
right
fish
here.
on the meat hook.
Oh. I did something.
More deforestation. Ba 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 ba.
It's wonderful. Now, can I break them? You have made a terrible mistake. Oh wait, it's C. It's C, that's what it is. C!
For what?
C!
Thank
Yeah.
you. E?
C, there.
See to what? Oh yeah, see, write them down here. How did you make the spikes?
Oh, you just look at the top of them with your axe.
Oh really?
Oh, gee, I killed a chicken! Or whatever. A parrot. Kind of similar, right?
Yeah, they're both birds.
So, yeah. So you're both thinking the right thing. Okay, let me look in this book again. Door. Okay. Defensive wall, man, I don't care about that. Ramp, stairs, studs, roof. Window, door. Okay.
Bro, we're getting so much fish now. It's like an infinite food source.
They're not. Actually?
Can you make another drying rack? I think we're gonna need it for when we put fish on it.
Eh.
Come here, Keith.
Why do we call him Keith? Actually, yeah, Keith is a great name.
Well, that was the name that we agreed on.
Yeah, Keith. Constructor. Constructor, Dante. Can I place this on the floor? Jesus. Doesn't like it doesn't want to be placed. Is that why? Just gotta be special. How many fishes do you just okay?
Yeah, you just gotta grab infinite amount.
Why can't I make a door? Let me make a door. We're gonna have to do some improvising. Get me, you get me?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'm gonna just destroy this.
Alright, well that one's not gonna have a spike on it. Oh, I have so many videos that I still need to, like, so many recordings I still need to upload. Also, my, speedrun got approved. So,
Nice.
that's cool. Mm. Ow.
What?
Some good stairs, or some, that's a good door.
Yeah, I can't place it in between, so I'm just making it like an airlock, you know? Just working with what we got.
Yeah.
Okay, where are all these fishies kind of going? Huh? Give me it. Give me it. But where is he oh, come here.
Come here.
Where are all these fishes? Oh my god, they're everywhere. Do you have a
What?
fire inside of here?
Oh my lord, dude. They are quite literally everywhere.
Where is he? When he comes back, I'm commanding him to get us some logs. So we're lacking again. He runs so weirdly. A plane? A plane?
SOS!
What? Alright, well he's back.
Oh, as soon as I go get logs.
You're all commanded to get logs.
Thank you. Imagine what that girl could do with her arms.
With those thighs.
No, with all those arms and legs.
She only has she only has one pair of arms.
Just 3.
Just 3 arms?
Yeah,
What a freak.
sexy.
No.
Yeah.
You are one weird guy. Bro, if anyone in our fucking school finds this YouTube channel, we're gonna get ridiculed.
I don't really care. I don't think anyone would really care anyways.
I guess.
The possibility of them finding this is astronomical.
They would really have to be looking.
Yeah.
Like, they'd have to, like, look for this.
Look. They would have to, like, do background searches on us. Where's the rope? Wait, what's this?
Alright, there we go.
Firewood.
That's all
We can get firewood. Boom, boom, boom. What does that do then? Tents. Yeah, okay. Basic fire, reinforced fire. We should get a reinforced fire so we can. Actually, yeah, that's your job. Get reinforced fire.
The fuck is this?
Wait and see! It is a process I am working on.
Oh my god, he just Mario jumped.
I know, right? He's a goat.
I've seen some of those like TikToks where it's just like Keith and other people in games, and it's just like destroys their fucking tree houses and shit. It's so funny because they get so pissed off.
I know. I love it.
It's low key really funny,
Okay.
not high key
Like
actually.
low to the key to the me.
Shut up. You have no bars.
Low key.
Like the North God.
Hey. Trying to build us a great wall.
I'm building us a wall. Call me
A
Donald Trump.
door. Same
Oh.
thing.
Call me Donald Trump.
What did I just do? Did something. It's cool. Aha, I'm starting to build this. Okay, okay, I figured that out now.
You know what, this recording session has been relatively peaceful.
Shut up! You're jinxed us.
I kind of want something to happen, though.
I don't want anything to happen yet. We're on like day 2. Day 3. Something like that. I would like it to
Bro,
stay
wait
as
until it's here, because we're not gonna know what's new.
You can't even
So, like-
face against fingers. Fucking finger good. Oh, you killed me! Dante, can I get a revive?
I didn't kill you, calm down.
You was just a log! Came out of nowhere and murked me!
Yeah, probably from your tree.
Dante, it was facing the other way. How would it kill me? It was
Well, my
falling the
tree
other.
fell the
I
opposite
already
way
fell.
as
It
well.
already fell, Dante. And I was going to pick something up, and a ginormous log smashed on my head.
Yeah, it was probably just my shit, sorry.
No, it wasn't.
It was, sorry, my bad.
Freaking dog! No! Jesus, I jumped like that. Okay, now I'm super low. Let me take a pill.
I
I have one. I'm not using that.
I think we're fine on.
Ow! I'm gonna die by the log flying!
The fuck are you making?
What the?
What?
Let me restart. Thruxthers. Door. Okay.
Apple bottom jean, boots with the fur, the whole club looking at her. I forgot the rest of the song. Bro, have you ever seen anything on Twitter that just makes you want to fucking just shoot yourself?
Every day.
Of how fucking
Actually, I don't have
stupid it
Twitter,
is.
so.
I've seen some whack stuff on Twitter. I saw someone fucking get pissed off at another person because apparently they sang full bottom jeans wrong or something like that.
What the heck? I can place it. Where? Give me the option. Give me the option.
You are one of those Twitter warriors. Get off Twitter, please.
Is Twitter even a thing still?
Yeah,
Controversial
barely,
or whatever,
though.
what?
it's barely a thing.
Oh, they really did this to me. They made it so it's like Minecraft with their doors. You can it makes it so it requires 3 planks, but so 4 logs, but you have 1 extra. Ugh. Come on, let me. Where do I have to position my screen? Hey, this is some innovation.
Oh, it's probably a really good time for, you know, I'm just gonna put up a couple more logs. It's probably a good time to end the recording because I have to go eat supper.
What time is it?
Apple bottom
oh, it's almost
jeans.
an hour recording. I didn't know that.
Yeah, I know, right? I can't. It feels like we've only just started playing.
I know.
Alright, well, thank you everyone for watching.
Hey! Yeah, thank you everyone for watching.
Thank you very much. We're probably gonna continue this